Hello and welcome to a little sort of impromptu video. I've just got my new, I just have to think about how I say this, Stampin Cut and Emboss machine. I'm going to have to think of a short name for that. The Boss, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, it's just arrived, literally nearly snatched the box out of the UPS man's hand and opened the little box. Well, it came in a bigger Stampin' Up box, but this is the box the machine comes in. So I've literally just pull the tape off. So we have our Stampin' Cut and Emboss Machine Quick Start Guide. Please read these instructions before assembling and using the Stampin' Cut and Emboss Machine. Who else doesn't read instructions and just plows ahead? Maybe me, so I need to read those. So they are the instructions. And then we have, this is not a cutting surface, we have the grey mat. We have, oh, brilliant, they've got numbers on. How good is that? 3, 4, 2 number 3s, a number 2 and a number 1. So that looks all really easy. And then in here, oh man, this is so cute. It's like a nice white handbag. So don't, in the bottom is your handle. They can't ship them with the handle on. So you do have to put the handle on. So I'm just going to check that you can see everything. So let's take it out of the bag. Oh, this is exciting. Right, so maybe I should look at the instructions. Attaching the handle. Position the handle in the machine. Slide the washer onto the screw. Oh, hang on. Figure 1. Where's the pictures? Ah, right, okay, yeah, cool. So, this is the main handle. This bit's, I'm just going to check, that bit goes on there, she says. Right, you've got to get it just so, I think. Bloody hell. Oh, that is the right way. Alright, yeah. It's easy when you put it the right way. Don't do it as bad as I did it. Right. And then you pop the washer on, which is in this little bag first. So that goes on the screw there. Like that. And then that goes in. And then there's an Allen key, good old Allen key to use. Now I suggest you keep this somewhere safe. She says. That's tight, and then you pop there's a little rubber seal that you pop on the end. And that makes it look nice. Finished off there. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to pop that Allen key back in the bag. And I'm going to put it in my little storage where I keep my blocks for now, so I know it's there. So that's all set up. So if you can see there, we've got the nice Stampin' Up logo on. And that's on both sides. And then, so what happens is, this, oh, it's so much more desk space now. So these open up. Oh, that's good. It's quite sturdy. And then that's your cutting platform there. So just check we can see that on the video. Just might move it. I'm just gonna, and then they shut like that. So dead easy. So I've just got some new dies actually, and I think I might have a go with the dies. So I've just got these leaves ones, love of leaves, and so I thought I'll have a go with a little bit of card and those. Grab a piece of card. first one, Misty Moonlight. Okay, so I need to read my instructions on using this. So I'm guessing with thin dies that you've got instructions here. We use 1, 2, 1 and 2, and then you've got your number 3, your die in your card, and another number 3. So it's very similar to before. So we don't use number 4 for this one. So we've got 1 and 2. Place die cutting. This is not a cutting surface, right? Okay, that's fine. So we place it like that, do we? And then we put this in. Let's cut a couple of these out. Never use these, obviously. Just got these. Pop that on there like that, and then we'll put the other plate. Oh, hang on. There we go. And let's go through. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. It's a lot easier. A lot easier. Oh. Ah, right. Okay. So that just actually embosses and doesn't cut. Right. Okay. I will know for next time. So that cut beautifully. Let's try that again. And this time. So do we put that? Oh, wow. So that goes in there like that. You can tell I've not read up on these ones. That goes in there like that. Cool. I hope you can see this on the video. Oh, you can. I'm going to take that out. Oh, look at that, like a dream, like a boss. There we go. Gorgeous. So let's do some embossing. Move those to one side. I've not sort of planned this, so I've not even I've got a folder here. So this is a new one, and let me grab some more card. Need to cut this down. Actually, I've got a piece here, so I'll just chop it down. So I'm going to use the Tasteful Textiles, which was out from this morning's class. So I'm going to pop that in and work out what I need for the for embossing. So let's have a look if I can do it just from this guide without having to read the instructions. Okay, so insert the embossing folders hinge first. So for the standard embossing folders, is this a standard or is this a thick one? It's a thick one. So this is a 3D. We're going to use plate 1, number 1, and then what it tells us on here, just the folder and then the grey, number 4. Okay, so hinge first. This is not a cutting surface, so let's try that. Now with emboss, if it's too thick, if you've not got your sandwich right, it just won't let you go through. Now that went through really quite well. Oh yes, did it right. Cool. So with the new 3D ones, the new ones, then you need plate 4. Now if you got a 3D one in the old catalogue that was made by Sizzix, I'm just going to find one. These are a bit thicker, and I think these are thicker, and a colleague of mine has told me that you need to use a plate 3, so I'm going to try that. So if you've got an old one that's a Sizzix thick one, then let's try plate 3. So we'll put, I can't do hinge first, hang on, let's do it that way. Hinge first, and we'll try plate 3. Yes, it goes through great. I think with plate 4, it's just too thick and you wouldn't get it through. Oh, yep, that's done that like a dream. So I'm going to have a little play with this, and I'll be uploading this video to my YouTube channel. It's not a live video, but I can answer questions when it goes live. Thanks for watching. Bye.